Happy learning, dear students. Today we will see how to solve the system of equations using the elimination method. Okay. So let's go with the first question. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. Let's consider 9x minus 3y is equal to 42. In our previous videos, we derived the system of equations using the substitution method, which was very easier. Again, elimination method is a bit simple, but we have some steps to follow. Okay, I'll be explaining what it is. So let's go with the first equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. Here you have 9x minus 3y is equal to 42. So what we are going to do is, we see that you are adding the equation 1 and 2. When you add, let's see whether we are able to eliminate any variable. Okay, so when you add the equation 1 and 2 here, what happens? Your plus 3y and minus 3y will get cancelled. So automatically a variable gets eliminated here, which will not be the same for all the equations. So here, the first example what I have considered is a bit simple. So the plus 3y and minus 3y is already present, so you can just like that cancel it and you get 2x plus 9x as 11x and 2 plus 42 as 44. From this very easily you can derive the value of x. Once you get the value of x, you can simply substitute that x in either the first equation or the second equation. I'm taking the first equation here. You can solve it in any ways. So 2 into 4 plus 3 into y is equal to 2. 8 plus 3y is equal to 2. So 3y is equal to minus 6. Therefore, the value of y is equal to minus 2. Whenever you write the point of intersection, the x should be written first followed by y. Therefore, the answer is 4, minus 2. Okay, so the scenario here had been very simple because when you tend to add the first and the second equation, you cancelled the variable very easily. But that will not be the case everywhere. So I have taken another example, 2. So here you can witness that the x and y terms cannot be cancelled just like that. Correct? So you need to bring it in such a fashion that either the x value should be same or the y value should be same. It is completely left to you. So I'm going to take the x value. So I'll tell you how to do it. Now you can see to the x value, dear students. Here you have minus 3 and here you have 4. Right? So I'm going to multiply equation 1 with 4. When you multiply equation 1 with 4, you get minus 12x plus 8y is equivalent to 12. You see that you are multiplying 4 throughout the equation. I have seen certain students, they will multiply 4 with equation x and y, but no, they tend to forget this number. So whenever you multiply any number or any variable with the equation, you see that you are doing it throughout, both on your left hand side as well as on your right hand side. Then only you will get the correct answer. Okay. Now let's go to the equation 2. In equation 2, you are going to multiply with the 3. So when I multiply the equation 2 with 3, what happens? You get here 12x plus 9y is equal to minus 12. Now the equation is very simple. Now when you add the first and second equation, your 12x and 12x will get cancelled and 9 plus 8 you will get 17y and 12 minus 12 will be 0. So your answer of y is 0. With this y value, very easily you can derive the x. You can put this y value either in the first equation or in the second equation and try to get the value of x. So I'm going to consider the first equation here. Minus 3x plus 2y is equivalent to 3. So minus 3x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 3, from which we get the value of x as minus 1. So the point of intersection should be always represented first with x, then with y. So the answer is minus 1, 0. So this is how you need to solve the system of equations using the elimination method.